I will teaching you how to add how to color your effect, how to add different colors to your text. Now I went to CapCut, select the image that I want to add text to, click on the text and add text. Now I'm trying to type the text that I wanted to be on the image that I've selected, which is how to color text, as you can see. So I'm trying to resize it and also like point it well to where I point my fingers at so that it will stand very well. So after that, let's go and change the color. I long click on how and I click on effect to change the color to give it different color. Exactly. So I've given that one a color. So now let's go to two. I long press on two, click on effect. I'm exploring the colors I want the two to be, as you can see here. So finally, I click on the red color for two, which is different from the color of our. Also, I long press the color here again. So I'm also like giving the color a different color. So yeah, I finally settled on giving the color blue. So I'm still trying to select here, but finally I selected color blue for it, exactly as you can see. So now let's go to the test. I long press the test 2 and I click on effect, trying to select colors to give the effect to. So exactly, I finally look for a color which was the color I give to her. So you see, I finally changed my test. I've given my test different color compared to the white one that was there before. So now you will learn something different here, which is you see, I try to like change the small letter to capital letter and everything changed back to one color. So before you started changing your color, ensure that you've written your text very well. The one you want to keep capital letter, you've given it before doing that. So now I've been able to do it back successfully. So now I'm trying to export it to my phone. As you can see, now it has been exported to my phone. Now add to my gallery. As you can see, this is the video I did a screenshot so that I will upload it as my thumbnail on YouTube. Exactly, you click on the screenshot. Thank you for watching. We've come to the end of this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, then click on subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next. Bye.